Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Taya here. Thanks so much for stopping by today. So I'm finally going to share my wash day routine with you guys because you always ask me. It's a very quick and simple wash day routine, just about 4 steps thereabout. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the video if you guys want to see how I wash my hair. So my routine always starts off with my hair in these jumbo twists. I already finger detangled my hair, so it's a little bit easier when I get into the shower. I just like to start off with this because it makes it easier to wash my hair. So right now I'm just saturating my hair with water, preparing it for all the products that I'm about to add throughout my routine. So the first step in my wash day routine is to cleanse my hair, and I like to use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Sulphate Free Shampoo. This shampoo is absolutely amazing. I've been using it for a very long time now and it works perfectly for me. I like to concentrate that product on my roots and just scrub my way through. That's because that's where product usually builds up for me. The shampoo is perfect if you don't want something to dry your hair out, and if you want something with a lot of slip, this is very awesome. So after lathering my roots, I'm just going to rinse the product out of my hair. So I generally like to shampoo my hair twice if I know that it's very dirty. At the end of my first shampoo, my twists usually begin to unravel. So it's at this point that I like to take them down so that I'm better able to get the product into my hair. And while I'm doing this, I will get some shed hair. I'm going to show you guys how much shed hair I get at the end of my wash day when I get down into the video. But I'm just going to take some more of the shampoo and just do what I did before, concentrate it on my roots, scrub at my scalp so I can lift all the old product and gunk off of my scalp, and then just go ahead and rinse the product throughout my hair. And of course, while you're rinsing out, you don't know you have to jam to 2 tunes, because you know. After shampooing my hair is very soft, very luscious, and I absolutely love how it feels. I usually stop my routine here if I'm in a hurry and I still don't feel guilty about it, but for the purpose of the video, I'm going to share the rest of my routine. My next step is to condition my hair, and to do this, I like to use my Cream of Nature Intense Conditioning Treatment. I absolutely love this product as well. It has a very nice fragrance. It smells like vanilla. And the consistency of it is just very thick and it just gets your hair so soft you would not believe it. I tend to go through this a lot, even faster than I do my shampoo, but it's fine because you know your hair does need a lot of moisture. So I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into some smaller sections, and this is where I'm going to begin the other step in my wash day routine, which of course is to properly detangle my hair. I like to use my wide tooth comb to do this because it makes the job so much easier. I do have very thick hair, so using a wide tooth comb is going to help you not to snag on your hair and cause breakage and all that awful stuff. So I'm just going to detangle my entire head, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and rinse the products out of my hair. After my condition, I like to go in and do my final step, which is deep conditioning. And to do that, I use this double Sheen olive oil cholesterol. I usually go between this and a hair mayonnaise because these two are very easy to find and they've worked very well for me. I apply a generous amount of the product all over my hair. It's a very good mask-like product and it does get the job done for me, so I really enjoy using these because they're also very affordable. So after applying this all over, I'm gonna let it sit on my hair for the rest of my shower routine, and then I'm just going to rinse it out after. That's usually about 10 to 15 minutes, you know, so that it can do its job before I go ahead and rinse it out. So I'm just going to rinse the product out, making sure that there's none left so that I don't have any product to build up on my scalp. So after my wash day routine, this is how my hair is left. Very soft, luscious, and my curls are popping. And it smells absolutely amazing, guys. The only thing left for me to do is just dry my hair, and I just go ahead and apply a towel around my head and just tuck that under, and that usually gets the job done for me. So this is the total amount of shed hair that I've got. Not really a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed. Check below for the question of the day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.